Hey there, my name's Barry. I've been teaching guitar for probably like 15 years. Been playing guitar for about 27 years to 29 years. Well, let me work it out. I was 11 years old when I picked it up. I'm now 39. So, okay, forgive the maths. All right. I'll put together some videos for you guys just to go through to see what I can do. Hopefully that will inspire you to want to learn one of the tracks that I've presented for you today, or just bring your favorite song. I can figure it out. I'll also teach you the music theory that can accompany that, and there's so many different loopholes to learn new things when it comes to guitaring. So anyway, I love what I do. I love teaching. Please feel free to make that booking, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you.
Honey, I stay strong on your love all the time.
Personal Jesus, someone to hear your prayers, someone who cares. Your own personal Jesus.
So one of the things that I came to Barry with before our first lesson was I was tired of playing the same kind of boring chord shapes. So we had one lesson together and he taught me a few key concepts, and I think that my playing has already improved rather substantially. But I'll let you be the judge for yourself. Here we go. This is the old me. Okay, 2 days later. Needless to say, I can't wait to our next lesson.